In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Asana. Let's get started right from your Asana workspace. When you're looking at your list of existing projects on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a small arrow or a plus sign beside the word projects. This is where you'll begin. Go ahead and click on that arrow or plus sign. This opens up the controls that let you add something new to your workspace, and it's the quickest way to start building a new project from scratch or from a template. Once that menu opens, look for the option that says New Project and click on it. This tells Asana that you want to set up a brand new space where you can organize tasks, deadlines, and collaborators. Think of a project as the main container that will hold all the work related to a specific goal or initiative. After you click New Project, Asana will present you with different ways to get started. One of the most flexible options is to click on Create Blank Project. Choose this if you want full control over how your project is structured. This is especially helpful if your process is unique or if you're just starting out and want to build everything yourself. When you choose a blank project, you'll typically be asked to give it a name, select a team or workspace, and sometimes set privacy or sharing options. Take a moment to pick a clear, descriptive project name so everyone knows what it's about at a glance. Alternatively, instead of starting from scratch, you can choose to use a template. Asana provides pre-built templates for common workflows like marketing campaigns, product launches, event planning, and more. Select a template if you want a head start with suggested sections, tasks, and sometimes even due dates. This can save you a lot of setup time and also give you ideas for how to structure your own process. Once you've decided between a blank project or a template and made your selection, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Asana will guide you through each required field step by step. You might be asked to confirm the project name, choose who has access, and tweak a few basic settings such as the default view, like list or board. Just move through each prompt carefully, and when you're done, Asana will create your new project for you. From there, you're ready to start adding tasks, assigning work, and organizing everything your team needs in